Hello everyone, today we will be looking at SAS Viya, a modern cloud-based analytics platform that helps organizations make better decisions by providing a wide range of tools for data analysis, machine learning, and data visualization. Whether you are a beginner or someone familiar with analytics tools, SAS Viya makes it easy to manage, analyze, and visualize data from multiple sources. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the basics of SAS Viya, its key features, and how to use it to perform data analysis, build machine learning models, and share insights across your organization. Number 2. Getting started with SAS Viya. Before diving into the platform's features, let's first look at how to get started with SAS Viya. Step 1. Create an account. To use SAS Viya, you need to have a SAS account. If you do not already have one, you will need to sign up through the official SAS website, depending on your organization's setup. You may also need access credentials provided by your IT department. Once you have an account, you can log into the SAS Viya interface. SAS Viya can be accessed through a web browser, so there is no need to install anything on your local machine. All the tools and features are available online. Step 2. Navigate the SAS Viya interface. After logging in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard. The interface is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. Here are some key components of the SAS Viya interface. Homepage. The homepage provides an overview of your recent activities and projects. You can quickly access tools like data exploration, visual analytics, and machine learning. Data access. You can connect to various data sources, such as cloud storage, databases, and file systems. SAS Viya supports both structured and unstructured data. Workspace. This is where you can organize your projects, data, and analysis. The workspace allows you to collaborate with team members and share your work. Toolbars. You will find toolbars that give you access to various functions like importing data, visualizing it, or running models. Step 3. Import data. Before you can analyze or visualize any data, you first need to import it into SAS Viya. SAS Viya supports multiple file formats, including CSV, Excel, and SQL databases, as well as data from cloud services like Amazon S3 and Google BigQuery. To import data, navigate to the Data section on the interface. Choose the Import option, select the source of your data, example, upload a file or connect to a database. Choose the file or database table that you want to import. After importing, SAS Viya will preview the data to ensure it is correctly formatted. Exploring your data. Once your data is imported into SAS Viya, the next step is to explore it. SAS Viya offers powerful data exploration tools that can help you understand the structure and contents of your dataset. Step 1. Data profiling. Data profiling is the process of analyzing the data to get a better understanding of its characteristics, such as missing values, duplicates, and data types. This is an important first step before performing any analysis or building models. In SAS Viya, you can profile your data using the built-in data exploration tools. Data types. Check if the columns in your dataset have the correct data types. Example, numbers, text, dates. Missing data. Identify if there are any missing values in your dataset and decide how to handle them. Example, remove, impute, or leave them. Summary statistics. Generate summary statistics such as mean, median, standard deviation, and more to understand the distribution of your data. Step 2. Data transformation. Sometimes your data may need to be cleaned or transformed before you can use it for analysis. SAS Viya provides several built-in tools to help with data transformation. Filtering. Remove rows or columns that are not relevant to your analysis. Aggregation. Summarize data by grouping it into categories and calculating aggregated metrics. Example, sum, average. Data wrangling. Apply transformations such as converting data types, splitting or merging columns, or normalizing data. Performing data analysis with SAS Viya. Once you have explored and prepared your data, you can start analyzing it. SAS Viya supports various analysis types, including traditional statistical analysis, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. Step 1. Running statistical analysis. SAS Viya provides a range of statistical tools to perform descriptive and inferential analysis. Some common types of statistical analysis include descriptive statistics, generate summary statistics, frequency tables, and visualizations to understand the data's distribution. Hypothesis testing. Perform t-test, ANOVA, chi-square test, and other hypothesis tests to determine if there are significant relationships in your data. Regression analysis. Use regression models such as linear regression or logistic regression to understand relationships between variables. To run statistical analysis, navigate to the analytics section in the interface. Choose the type of analysis you want to perform. Example, regression, hypothesis testing. Select the variables you want to include in the analysis. Click Run to execute the analysis and view the results. Step 2. Building machine learning models. In addition to statistical analysis, SAS Viya is also designed to help you build machine learning models. You can create predictive models using algorithms like decision trees, random forest, support vector machines, SVM, and neural networks. To build a machine learning model, navigate to the modeling section in the interface. Choose the type of model you want to build. Example, classification, regression. Select your target variable, the variable you want to predict, and the predictor variables. Select the machine learning algorithm you want to use. Example, decision trees or SVM. Train the model by clicking Run and let SAS Viya automatically split the data into training and test sets. After the model is trained, evaluate its performance by looking at metrics such as accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score. Step 3. Visualizing your results. After running your analysis or building a machine learning model, it is essential to visualize the results to gain deeper insights. SAS Viya offers a variety of visualization tools that help you present data in a way that is easy to understand. Some common visualization options include bar charts, used to display categorical data; line graphs, useful for showing trends over time; scatter plots, help identify relationships between two numerical variables; heat maps, useful for visualizing correlations or large datasets. To create visualizations, select the Visual Analytics option in the interface. Choose the type of visualization you want to create. Example, bar chart, scatter plot. Drag and drop the data fields to the appropriate axis. Customize the visualization by adjusting colors, labels, and other formatting options. Sharing and collaborating with SAS Viya. One of the key features of SAS Viya is its ability to collaborate with others in real time. You can share your analysis, models, and visualizations with colleagues or stakeholders, allowing for seamless collaboration and decision-making. Step 1. Sharing reports and dashboards. You can create interactive reports and dashboards that combine multiple visualizations and analysis results. Once your report or dashboard is ready, you can share it with others by sharing a link. Generate a shareable link that anyone can access. Emailing. Send reports directly to others via email. Embedding. Embed the report or dashboard into websites or other platforms. Step 2. Collaboration features. SAS Viya allows you to collaborate with team members within the platform. You can comment, add comments and annotations to report or visualizations to discuss insights. Collaborative workspaces. Work together in shared workspaces where you can upload data, perform analysis, and share results. Version control. Keep track of changes made to projects and revert to previous versions when necessary. That is all there is on SAS Viya tutorial, step-by-step guide to cloud-based analytics. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. We hope to see you in our next video. Bye for now.